All right, guys. So in today's video, we're going to show you how to sign up and make an account with previously known as Self Lender. So actually, if you go into Google and you type in Self Lender, it's going to be the first link that you're going to click on. It's going to bring you to this screen right here. So all you're going to do, and you can scroll the website if you like. We want to focus on a credit builder account. So just type in your email right here and click Get Started. And then it's going to prompt you. I already have an account, so it's going to prompt you to put in your personal details. So obviously your first and last name, your address, your phone number, most likely the last four of your social, and these things are just to verify your identity, make sure everything is correct. So once you do that, like I said, put in your email, enter your personal details, and then I'll show you what it looks on the back end. So once you enter all of your information, this is what you're going to see once you're completely logged in and everything's taken care of. You have some options up top. It says apply now, but you're not going to get denied for this. So it's not really necessarily an application process. It's just to get started with your credit builder account. As you can see here, they do offer a secured Visa credit card. Do not choose that option. I don't care how often they market it to you. It never graduates to an unsecured card. So this is not something that you really want on your credit. We just want to go with the credit builder account, which is it's going to show up as like a personal loan or what they consider a CD, certificate of deposit. As you can see here, you can scroll down here, you can refer a friend. And you can also see here that I did use the service in 2021. Well, I think I started in 2020, 2021, and I chose the $48 a month option. And I'm going to show you guys what that means in a second. They have a lot of services here. Today, we're just going to focus on a credit builder account. So right here, you're going to see the credit builder account option, select a plan. This is where you're going to want to start at. Now, why I've already used the service, I don't plan on using it again, so I can only take you so far in this video, but I'm going to show you what options you have. So right here, this is where you're going to choose your monthly commitment. So you have $25, $35, $48, and $150. So this is basically, so you're going to multiply this number by 24, and this is going to be the amount of the loan or the CD that you're going to receive and how it's going to show up on your credit report. And at the end of the, as you can see right at the end of the 24 months, it's actually going to show you right here before you even sign up how much you're going to get back. So if you choose the $35 a month option, you're going to get $717 back. So this does technically act as like a mini savings account, even though you're not getting back the full amount. It also does act as a savings account because you're not spending this money elsewhere on other things. So as you can see on the previous screen, I did choose the $48 a month option. You choose whatever works for you financially. If you can afford $150, even better, right? Because the amount that's going to show up on your credit report is going to be even higher. But regardless, any type of positive payment history over the course of 2 years is going to be good. So even if you go with the $25 a month option, it doesn't matter, right? And then in that case, you're going to receive $511 back. I do report to all three credit bureaus. You can pay it off or close early, but I highly would recommend against that because, like I said, we don't just want the on-time payments. We want the history, right? We want the 2 years of history that this is going to provide for you. It does have a 15.92% interest rate, and they do have a finance charge. So as you can see here, you're going to pay $600 total over the course of 2 years, but you're going to receive $511 back. That is just a small fee in order to get your credit started. Or like I said, if you're rebuilding your credit, this is also a great option for you as well. So there is a small fee that is involved in it, but it's a small price to pay for positive payment history and age onto your credit report. So this is as far as I can take you. Well, on to the next screen, just click accept. And FYI, as you can see here, I have my credit frozen. So if you've been watching our YouTube videos or you've been inside of our Discord, which we do have the link for it in the description below, you'll know that freezing your credit when you're not applying for things is very smart. In this instance, like I said, if you've been following us and you have your reports frozen, you're going to want to unfreeze your TransUnion. As you can see here, that's where they're going to do a soft pull on. And again, this is just for identity purposes to make sure they're reporting to the correct person, which is very important. So I have my credit frozen. I'm not going to unfreeze it for this video. So if you do have it frozen, just lift your credit freeze, go to TransUnion and get it lifted and refreeze it again after you have set up your credit account. But that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions involving credit, even business credit, and how to get funded for your small business, we do have a link for our Discord in the description below, as I just mentioned a few seconds ago. We do have more videos on our YouTube channel, so feel free to subscribe. And we do actually now have an ebook We're going to put the link in the description as well for the ebook. It kind of walks you through the beginning steps of credit, how credit works, how certain things are weighted on your credit score, etc. It's going to answer a lot of the beginner questions for you. So feel free to click any of the links in our description below, and we'll see you on the inside.